Well, quick little project today is putting some creep feed in the creep feeder. And for some reason, this particular creep feeder, it has a tendency to get some rotten feed at the bottom. I don't know how, but anyway, gonna put some feed in the creep feeder. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It is a Saturday, and so I'm out in the pastures spraying some Canadian thistle and a few briars and a couple other weeds with my four-wheeler. And tomorrow afternoon I'll be heading to San Diego for the NCBA business meeting. I won't get into about midnight Indiana time, so tomorrow will be a long day. I may try and go down to the Owen County Fair. I think their market show is tomorrow. So just trying to do some tidying up. Done quite a bit this morning. The yard's been mowed. Brought some feed out to some different animals, checking them after the fireworks last night. So that's just an update of what's going on. Hey, good morning, everyone. It is July 12th. Just got home from NCBA Summer Business Meetings yesterday afternoon after being gone since Sunday of last week. A lot to catch up on the farm. I think the family is probably glad I'm back with the goat issue and cows getting out. So there's some things I've got to work on today. So I've got plenty of things on the schedule. And I'll be hooking up, well, besides mowing the yard, getting ready to turn some heifers out into some grass and hooking up the disc mowers to get ready to hit to the hay fields. It's going to be a busy day. So I hope you enjoy this week's video. I know it's going to be short, and I'm going to try and get some information from the summer business meeting with NCBA on the next video for those of you that are interested in the cattle business. Well, good morning, everyone. First task of the, or the end of the week, I guess I should say. Going to try and sort 6 young ducklings that can't be bred. I want to turn the buck in today, so we'll see how this process goes. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on. Well, here's an update. All the nannies and young ducklings have been separated. The buck is in. Hopefully you can see him over there. And there's 11 of these nannies, I believe. So hopefully we'll get those bred. So here's a couple wethers and the red buckling, and all those are for sale. Here's this year's December ducklings, and actually there's 2 Mays in here, but these will be carried over. Some of these will be for sale as well later, but everything is sorted and happy to get this project done. Well, thanks everyone for watching. It's been quite of a Interesting week, interesting Sunday sorting goats. Until next week, again, hit that subscribe button. And again, thanks for watching. Well, here you go with the fireworks. Just a little fireworks here in Spencer, Indiana, Owen County, setting in the pasture. And I hope the cows are hiding in the woods. No clue what you can see with me standing out here in the pasture, but again, I am in my cow pasture, and you can see how close these fireworks are to where my cattle are.